Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I repress my highlights. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I repress my makeup, and yeah, let's just get right into it. Okay, so what you're going to need is just some toilet paper and some rubbing alcohol. Make sure it's 90%. I have 70%, but it works just fine. But just try to get 90% so it works even better. And just get something that you'd be able to like dig in and finish destroying your makeup. But yeah, these are just I use these for eyelashes, but I use this to put on my eyelashes, but they're just like some nail tweezers to pick up like the rhinestones. But okay, so I have here my highlight, the Mary Luminizer, and it's broken. I don't know if you can tell, but it's broken. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm just gonna finish breaking it because it's not all the way broken. But yeah, I'm just gonna start destroying it even more so I can get the alcohol and repress it the way I want it to. And yeah, let me just move the camera down and I'm gonna change the angle for you guys. Alright, so like y'all can see, I already started breaking it up even more. So this is what I am doing till I get it into like very small pieces. Oop. By the way, this is a messy process. Just letting you guys know. I'm just gonna do this until I get it into very small pieces, and then I'm gonna apply the alcohol. But for now, I'm just gonna speed this up, and yeah. Alright, now that I have it crushed, I don't need to have it into really small pieces. This is like the small, like this type of small is okay. Alright, so now I'm just gonna apply that alcohol. Just go by slowly, not a lot at a time, just because you need to mix it together. And yeah. Now I'm just gonna apply a little bit more because we're gonna be pressing it down. Trying to get it into like that gooey consistency. I don't even know what the fuck to say. But trying to get it to like that gooey type of feeling. Like a what you call it? Like a little putty type of highlight. Have y'all seen that? I don't know. But them that you press and like se queda la marca de tu finger. Those type of highlights. But yeah, I'm just gonna be pressing it down together. Just like this. Now right here I'm doing a really hard motion. At first I wasn't, but now I am, just to make sure I really have everything nice and together. Now I'm just gonna try to distribute it all where I want it to. And these, as you can see, it's still cracking a little bit, so I'm just gonna apply more. Now that's a lot, but that's what I normally apply right after I'm done doing everything. Now y'all can see like how it's like really sliding on to like together and stuff instead of cracking. Like right here it's still dry, so that we need to apply more alcohol. And like I said, take it a little bit at a time because you don't want to apply that much, too much alcohol. Alright, so now I'm just smoothing it out, trying to get it how I'd want it to look. Alright, so this is how I'd like it to look. Now we're gonna go in with the toilet paper. It doesn't matter how many, just grab enough. And now Now make sure you fold it into like layers. Alright, so now I'm just going to be applying the toilet paper on top, and I'm going to be pressing a little bit with my hand just to flatten everything out. Or you can take your sponge and just press it down with the sponge. And make sure to press really, really, really hard so you can really soak up that alcohol that you had put in your highlight. Now you should see like some alcohol residue on here. And yeah, that's how it should turn out. And now I'm just gonna clean the edges, you know, just to make everything look more nice and clean, just so it doesn't look that dirty. Alright, so now you can see it's like a little bit cracking, so you just want to go back with some more toilet paper. When you see that, it's because it still has too much alcohol. So you want to go back in with some toilet paper and repress it some more, just like where it's cracking. And this will make sure it soaks up the alcohol. And see, there you go. Just gonna be applying it a little bit more pressure, because I feel like with my fingers I can get a little bit more better in there. So yeah, this is how I repress my highlight, or like my makeup. Any broken makeup, it works the same, but you want to make sure that you leave it open. Like here, you have it open for 24 hours so that the alcohol can soak right out. So now what you want to do is just leave it out open just like this. You want to leave it open for 24 hours before you even use it or anything, or even try to swatch it. Don't swatch it right after you're done repressing it, because then you're gonna fuck it up. You're gonna fuck it up, and then you're gonna have to redo it, because then you're gonna be like, oh, what the fuck happened? Why did my shit start cracking? Or, you know, all of that. Yeah, you gonna fuck it up if you touch it right after. So don't do that. Just don't. So just wait the 24 hours, and then you can swatch it all you want. It will be, honestly, I don't think it's like better than what it used to be. Some products do work better, some don't. I feel like it makes not really that big of a difference, but it still works the same. It may be a little bit better, maybe not, but it's gonna be as it was as the first time. It's not gonna get damaged or anything because you add alcohol. Like, it's totally fine. So just, you know, bringing it out there. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and hopefully y'all did learn something from this today. And if y'all go and repress anything of yours, please send me pictures. Anything, like, please, I'd like to see it, you know, like, oh shit, you know, like, you got that for me? What? Your shit looks nice and everything. I'd be so fucking happy. Like, I swear. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! It ended at the time I need to.